Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this premium putty butyl tape, and it's by Rvhouse. So I'm gonna guess this would probably be good for RVs. And what you get here is you get a big roll of it. Here's the big roll of the butyl tape, and it's kind of like a caulking putty-ish stuff. And so you would take it and put it around where you need it to be. So it's like that. So it's basically putty in a roll, and so you can just put it around to where you would caulk something and make it waterproof. So if you're putting in a sink or something like that, it's going to make it nice and easy to do. So you just roll this out wherever you need it to be. You can smooth it out and make the corners nice and rounded or whatever you want to do with it, and then you'll have this for it. So it's pretty cool concept to be able to put it down like this without making too big of a mess like you would normally do if you had caulk or something like that and waiting for it to dry and dripping and whatnot. This is just nice and thick putty. So very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.